Barry. My name is Megan, and I'm the owner of Loba Leads Marketing, a digital marketing company in San Antonio. I called over to your office today, and I let them know that I am putting together these quick little website audit videos for business owners in the area, just to kind of show you, give you any tips on your website and show you where you're ranking currently on Google. So in this video, I'm going to go over a few easy ways to beat your competition online. And if you have any questions for me after watching the video or feedback, or want to discuss any of it, I'm happy to do that. I'll give you all my contact info. So the three things I'm going to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is anything on the front page of your site that Google can read. So all the text on the home page, all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. You're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like Electrician, Waco, Texas, Waco electricians, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website will pop up. So looking at your website, I really like how professional it all is and how easy it is to navigate. You've obviously spent some time and effort on this, and so I just wanted to let you know that. I like the design here, I like the picture, it's very eye-catching. So it really adds a personal local touch with the Waco suspension bridge right here. So nice job with that. I like how you have your services up here. One thing that I would recommend with your services is to split each of these services into different pages. And that just really helps these services to rank higher on Google. So let's say somebody was looking just for electrical repair in Waco. They might type in electrical repair Waco. And then if this was a back service page of yours, then that page would pop up, and it's just a lot easier to rank that way. So if you were to split your different service pages, if you were to split this service page into different individual pages, you'd want to strive for about 500 words of content on each of those pages. And the rule of thumb that we tell our clients is one keyword phrase for every 100 words is what we say. So if you had 500 words as a minimum on the service pages, you'd want anywhere from 3 to 5 keywords organically spread throughout the content there. And then let's see here. I also would say that you should split up the service areas that you serve also. So like Arlington would have one, have their service pages under that. And then Fort Worth, you would have your service pages under that. And that just helps you to rank in both cities with all of those services too. So overall, I really like how you have everything laid out here. If we go back to your home page, I like how you have your About Us page here too. It really gives it a nice personal touch. And I meant to say that a little earlier too. So if we go back to your home page, what I would say here is the main recommendation is you're going to want to have more content on here. So 1,500 words is the minimum, and my recommendation to you would be to do 10 to 15 keywords throughout those 1,500 words of content. That way you can really rank higher on Google for all of those keywords that you're wanting to target. Also, if you could add some more pictures here on the home page, they're just really eye-catching and they add to the design and to the overall look of the site. I think that would be really great. Any pictures you have from work that you've done, those are always really great to build trust with prospective clients. And adding testimonials here at some point, maybe close to the bottom of the page, also really helps to build that trust. So those are my recommendations for you as far as the website goes. Overall, a very nice website. The next thing I want to talk to you about is backlinks. So the thing with Google is it can kind of be like a popularity contest in a way, because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, very important to remember, not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to get a lot more influence from a backlink that is related to your industry. So for example, an electrician blog that mentions your company would be a good one for you. Or a popular website that features various types of home services, that would be another good one. Something that has to do with the services you offer, you're going to have much more influence given to you from that type of backlink versus a backlink from, let's say, your local Domino's Pizza or something like that. So a tool I use to measure backlinks is called Ahrefs, and it gives a lot of valuable data as far as how much traffic is coming into your site, and it's a good measure of backlinks. So you have 21 backlinks from 11 different websites, it looks like, and you have 15 for your organic traffic. So that tells me that you're getting minimal traffic coming into your website per month. This is 15 website visits over the last 30 days. Now, when compared to one of your top competitors in the area, Mr. Electric, Waco, they have 123 backlinks, and they are higher quality backlinks because they have more power being given to them here. And they have 68 website visits over the last 30 days. So they definitely have more organic traffic coming into their website, and potentially have more customers converting from that. So a strategy that we tell our clients to use is, in order to get the same kind of influence and power as their competitors, is to go in and get the same backlinks as their competitors have, and then to continue keep adding more and more backlinks on. So eventually what will happen is you'll surpass them while gaining more power to your site. A lot more organic traffic will come with that, and of course new customers, which is the ultimate goal. So the last thing I want to talk to you about today, Barry, is citations. So citations are very important because if someone's looking for a service now, most likely what they're going to do first is they're going to type it into Google. And you see up here, a lot of people stop right here and start looking at the local Google My Business map pack. And so they see these top 3 businesses as very reputable. They have ratings, they have reviews. A lot of times they'll go to their websites, give them a call, and maybe convert to new customers for them. So they get a lot of business from being up here in the map pack. But the reason they're up here and ranking up here is not because they're necessarily the best in the area for these services. It's because they have the most citations. So citations is anywhere online where they have their business name, address, and phone number listed in different directories, such as Yelp, Home Advisor, Facebook, just to name a few. So what we tell our clients is the same type of strategy that we use with backlinks. You want to go in and get whatever directories, list yourself in whatever directories these businesses are listed in, and then add on a space cushion of, let's say, 20 to 30% more directories. And what's going to happen is over time, you'll end up infiltrating this local Google My Business map pack. You'll be ranking at the top before your competitors even realize it. They won't be able to catch up because you'll just keep adding on more backlinks, more citations, and taking on all of that new business. So here is my website, Lobo Leads. Here's my phone number. And I will send you an email with this video so you'll have all my contact information, and I look forward to hearing back from you soon. Thanks.